Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit we have on the ground. This is stock number 8.5x20+V. This is a 2018 Haulmark 8.5x20 plus a 2-foot V nose, so it measures about 22 total, in an ALX series, which is our all aluminum line. So lightweight, heavy duty. You do have a full 6-inch all aluminum frame with this unit. Weight on this unit's about 3,000 pounds, so you're going to save yourself typically about 1,000 pounds over what your standard steel wood trailer would run you. This one also has a smooth skin exterior, as you guys can see, so no screws or rivets. Silver front, black back, and then you've got the polished aluminum strip between the two that divide it. You get diamond plate rock art across the bottom, as well as a polished V-nose cap right there, so you'll have some good protection from rock chips and that sort of thing on our roads. I'll give you guys a quick peek on this side. The smooth skin exterior is really pretty. It just keeps the trailer really nice and clean. Again, there's your heavy duty 6-inch frame. We'll come around to the side. You do have a full 48-inch side door with this unit with an RV lock and cam bar, so you do have double lock protection on your side door. Small gutter over that side door, polished aluminum strip between the two colors to kind of break that up. Two 5,200-pound torsion axles with brakes on all fours. Torsion axle gives you independent suspension underneath the trailer. It'll be a better tow for you, better ride. You also have aluminum wheels with this unit and a polished aluminum fender. Side vents, you've got one down here and then one at the front. Gives you guys a little bit of natural cross ventilation through the trailer. Max size rear ramp door, which is what you guys can see right here. This unit is a 7-foot 6-inch interior height, so great for Jeeps and buggies, anything that might possibly need that extra height in it. We're gonna go ahead and go on the side door, take a peek, check it out. Back side of that RV lock, as you guys can see, has a lock-a-latch and a set of keys with it. And then interior of the unit, super pretty. You've got vinyl walls, Nudo floor, and ramp. Nudo floor is extremely durable. We love our Nudo floors. It does have dry max underneath it, so it's essentially a waterproof floor as well. One-piece aluminum roof. You also have the framing and bracing ready to go right there for the AC unit, which is that square that you see up there on the ceiling. A couple of overhead LED lights. Switch for that's located right here on the wall. You also have a 3-inch dovetail here at the rear. So we've got a 7-foot 6-inch interior height. We typically lose about 6 inches with that rear door spring, which you guys can see right there. We're gonna gain back 3 inches with that dovetail in the back. So you're gonna have around a 7-foot 3-inch rear door opening. So great for taller vehicles, taller toys, that sort of thing. And there's your dovetail. You guys can see it drops down right there. Looking forward into the trailer, you've got your 20-foot box plus your V right here, so you guys can see that. This is going to be a great, again, Jeep, buggy, UTV trailer, toy trailer, anything like that. So here it is. You do have a full 5-year factory warranty from Haulmark with this all aluminum series as well. And you guys can check us out. You can click the little click our inventory button that pops up there on YouTube, or you can check us out online directly at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. We have over 150 on the ground at any one time. Or you can reach us at 303-688-8485. We do also have shipping options available for our customers that don't live near us, so you can call to inquire about that as well. We also have a buy it now button online, so if you guys love this trailer and you want to purchase it before someone else does, you can simply buy it now. Be sure to like and subscribe.